हाय गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज विश्वजीत दत्ता, डायरेक्टर एस्कैट एजुकेशन। आइए बात करते हैं आज एक और इंटीग्रेटेड मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम के बारे में, which is called as JIPMAT 2024. We call it as Joint Integrated Program in Management Aptitude Test, conducted for Iim Bodh Gaya and IIM Jammu. This examination is conducted by NTA, that is National Testing Agency. You must be knowing this, that the National Testing Agency is a Government of India organization that conducts the online entrance examinations for the various prestigious institutions. As you could see, this is for IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya. So what is the pattern of exams? The pattern of exam is very simple again, 100 question. To understand the pattern, you have to write down these 100 questions. You have to solve these 100 questions in 150 minutes of time. That is 2.5 hours of time. So what is the sections? What are the sections that you are going to solve in the paper? Quantitative ability 33 questions, verbal ability 33 questions, DILR 34 questions. So this is the pattern of exam. Most of the time you will see that the management entrance examinations in our country, in fact across the variety of exams that we do, these are the basic pattern. You will be having questions on quantitative ability. Quantitative ability means mathematics. All that arithmetic that we have studied till 10th standard is going to be the part of our syllabus. Verbal ability is put together the English grammar, English vocabulary and English reading comprehension. So कुल मिलाकर के 33 questions इसमें से आएंगे. DILR, DI is data interpretation. Data interpretation means you are supposed to be given a question that is having lot of data into it. The data could be mathematical data or the data could be verbal data, and based on that data you have to solve certain amount of questions, and the logical reasoning type of questions are in variety. You could see that the different pattern of examinations that you have been doing since your school days, you will be finding this kind of questions based on blood relations, based on distance and direction, based on puzzles, based on coding, decoding, etc. is a part of logical reasoning questions. So we'll be having around 34 questions in the paper, put together 100 questions that is required to be solved in 150 minutes, that is 2.5 hours of time. Coming on to the marking system, the marking system is again very simple. For every right answer you will get 4 mark. 4 mark for right answer, and minus 1 mark you are going to lose from the total score if you have made a wrong attempt. So plus 4 and minus 1. Okay. Coming on to the eligibility is again you need to be 10th and 12th pass with minimum 60% of marks in the general category and 55% of marks for SC, ST and PWD category. The form cost would be 2,000 rupees for the general category students, that means the unreserved category, and for students with SC, ST, PWD it would cost to 1,000 rupees. Now looking for the paper, people are definitely asking, sir, what would be the minimum score which is required to get qualified into the next round of this examination? It would be somewhere close to 250 and plus. So you could see that 100 questions, 350 marks required to qualify, which is, you can see that it's a very big score. Now that simply means that the pattern of examination is not going to be very tough. It is not even moderate also. The level of the paper is going to be at a lower side. So as a result, more and more people are going to have a strong competition. And for these two institutions, there are only 60 seats. 60 seats for Bodh Gaya and 66 for IIM Jammu. Now for 60 seats, the competition is going to be very tough. That's the reason why the cutoff is at a higher side. Okay, the cutoff is definitely at a higher side, which is close to 87.5%, close to 90%. So you are now understood this fact that you are required to score a high-end numbers in the paper to qualify for this exam. Now coming on to the last date for applying this particular exam, the last date is 21st of April. You can fill the form by 21st of April. 21st of April is the last date to apply, and now do not wait for the last date. Fill the form as quickly as possible, and the examination date will be on 6th of May 2024. So just start working on this and fill this form and have a great score. Subscribe our channel, that is ASCAT, for getting these regular kind of informations for the variety of exams and the variety of updates in the context of management. I am Vishwajit Datta. Thank you so much. Subscribe ASCAT. Bye bye.